Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at math class method. There are many different math class methods. There are absolute value, ceiling, floor, seal, floor, maximum, minimum, power, square root. We are going to see all of them. Let's go and see the absolute value first. The only statement, we have to just put the system out statement for that. System dot out dot println and math.abs, abs for absolute value. Let's put a number. Let's say negative 26.7, negative 26.7, and let's go ahead and run this one. Now you can see we are getting the positive value of that, because when we take the absolute value of any negative value, the negative go away and we get the positive value. And also we can do the ceiling. Ceiling mean it, for example, to put the ceiling, seal, we put CEIL, and it's just, if we put 7.4 or 7 point something, it's going to turn into 8. 7.4, or if it, for example, if it's 7.4, it's going to be 8, and if it's 6.4, it's going to be 7. Like 6, any point value, it's gonna convert into the next value, right? The value above that. If it's 9 point something, it's 10, something like that. And the floor is opposite of that. If we put floor, it should be 7. Okay, now let's proceed. It's 7, and that is ceiling and floor. And also we can do the maximum. Maximum is when we put two numbers, it's going to compare two numbers and print out the highest value. Okay, let's say 8.6 and 5.2. It's going to compare these two numbers and print out 8.6 because that's the highest value. So here we got 8.6. Okay, then that's max, and also minimum is the lowest value. It's going to print out the lowest value. .2. And the next thing is power. Power function is, if we put two numbers, it's going to power that function. Power, let's say 5 and 3. It's going to put 5 power 3 and find out the value. Okay, power. Okay, I should put math.power. .125. And also we can do the square root. Math.square root. And if I put 9, it's going to find out the square root of 9, and that's going to be basically 3. Okay, there's something wrong here. There's an error showing up. Math.square root, and I didn't close this bracket. That's a thing. Okay, let's go and run this one. Square root of 9 is 3. And that's it. That's how we do the math class methods using Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.